This call is about NHT Global's new flagship product, STEM Renew. This message is heralding a major paradigm shift in health and wellness, the shift to the new science of renewal, a part of regenerative medicine. We are moving away from just having the science of replenishment or adding nutrients to help us create or further better health, to renewal, which is about reanimating or jump-starting our flagging or failing process of cellular communication or cellular signaling, and in particular, our ability to properly signal our native adult stem cells. Regenerative medicine is about rebooting back to blueprint and thereby regaining our ability to reverse issues and to heal properly, like we did as kids or teenagers. So what are stem cells anyway, and why are they so important to our ability to heal? I see regaining our ability to properly mobilize, activate, and direct our abundant supply of already existing stem cells as our own personal fountain of youth. I like to think of stem cells this way. Stem cells equal raw potential and are our greatest healing asset. Stem cells become all other cells. They morph from undifferentiated blank cells into specific cell types, all cell types actually, and based on what needs to be repaired or replaced, as determined by our body's own innate wisdom. We are built of and built by stem cells. And after the stem cell's primary job, that of growing our body, is complete, their focus shifts to repair. Now comes the rub. After the age of 21 or so, we begin to lose our ability to communicate or signal our stem cells, and the result is aging, fatigue, breakdown, illness, wearing out, etc. STEM Renew restores our lost abilities, our cellular communication, our cellular signaling. It reboots, turns back on, reanimates, and we begin to come back to life. We begin to wake up and to mend, and we begin to reverse issues, even childhood traumas. Athletes report better performance and shorter recovery times. Think of it this way. Stem cells are like the firemen in a neighborhood firehouse. If there is a fire a block away, but the firemen get no alarm, no signal, they don't respond because they didn't get the message. The same is true with our stem cells. STEM Renew can change all of that. The science of STEM Renew is from world-renowned doctors and is presented by a company with a long track record of success and integrity. For more information, get back to the person who directed you to this call. Thank you. The statements made on this call have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. The products and any statements about the products are in no way intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease, illness, or condition.